Hello everyone, this is Teehoo Overlanding. We are a factory specializing in rooftop tent awnings, overlanding accessories, as well as research and development, manufacturing, and sales. Today we will show you how to set up hardshell side awning. Our hard shell is made of aluminum, which is more durable and easier to clean than traditional PVC material. First, unlock the fixed locks on both sides of the hardshell. Then open the hardshell. We designed a special hinge to better fix the hardshell when opening it. Take out the poles. Unfold the folded fabric. Take out the integrated support rods, which is hidden on the end of the fabric. There are markings on the support rods to determine the length of the fixed support rods. There are holes on both sides for inserting and fixing the pole above. There are 4 Velcro tabs on both ends of the fabric, which can be used to fix the fabric and poles. That's all about how to set up hardshell side awning. Now we will show you our optional accessories. This is canopy, and it can be set up in very quick way. There are 2 ways to use this accessory. One is to fix it on the support rod to make a windproof wall. The other is to use guy rope to fix it. How to take down the hardshell side awning. First, untie the fixed Velcro. Spin the pole to shorten the fixed pole. Shorten the support rods to tuck in place. There are rubber blocks on the pole to fix it in the slot. Pull the fabric as tight as possible and then fold it. Stuff the left and right poles into the hard shell. The pole also has rubber blocks for fixation. Close the hardshell. Lock the latch. That's all about today's video. If you are interested in our product, feel free to contact us.